Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I want to talk about differential equations. So now I want to show you how to answer. This one multiplied by this one and this one. So we have like this. Next, I will put this one go to the left, y square go to the right. Next, we can do about factorization, and we have like this. Now we put s go outside. Next, this one that is about dy over dx. So I will put the s and s go to the right, this one go to the left, and we have like this. Next, we need to put the integration for the both sides. Now we can do about factorization by y. So number 2, that is about 1 plus 1. So this one divide by this one, and number 1 divide by this one. So we have like this. Next, we need to add about y. Later that we need to minus about y. So this one divide by this one, and this one divide by this one. So we have 1 over y minus 1 over y plus 1. So this one that is about number 2 over y. So we have the final answer. The integration of this one that is about number 2 Ln of the absolute value of y, and the second one. The next one that is about Ln of the absolute value of s, and I will put about c. This is the end. Thank you for watching.